This afternoon we're in Delphi Hills, and right behind me is the Rio Vista. If you looked on my channel probably a couple months ago, I did a quick walkthrough of this home. Now, it's still about a month away from completion, but man, there's some cool fixtures in there. You can see some of the upgrades that they did. If I could get a better shot of this elevation, and look at that cloud. Florida rainstorm is coming. Let's go take a look at this home, and it is a great floor plan, and I can't wait to see the finished version. This is a like 80% video, so let's go check it out, see what you think. Okay, let's take a look at this Rio Vista. This is a custom build. Don't you love the beautiful rain cloud in back of me? And if there's any lightning coming, you'll probably see me drop the camera and then take off. But let's go right up here. Nice, sits up really nice and high. We're in Delphi Hills, over off Clubhouse Road, Hulbert Homes, exclusive community. This is one of my favorite floor plans in the two-story line because I love the openness of it. You're gonna see why. Our goal is to get a finished video too, just so you know. But sometimes I won't be able to get back in them in time, depending on the stage of construction. We try to stay out of the people's way. Now, a couple things you can notice right here. Beautiful doors. They've got the privacy already etched in here. We do have power and AC. Take a look at this. It is beautiful, nice and open. Look at these ceilings. Those will all be painted. We'll have some handrail up there. This floor plan is gorgeous, fantastic. Look at this rock. Oh, so beautiful. The fixtures, they did some really nice additions here. Picked out some of these, some of the fixtures they did. The wood flooring, you'll be able to see it here and there. They lay paper down to the very end to protect the wood flooring. This kitchen is really nice. Out of breath still from those steps. Bear with me. So a couple things that I already love about this, and I haven't even walked through the whole thing yet. I want to discover it with you, but the gray cabinets, love that stain of that gray. And then I came over here with the darker for the accent. Look at this extended. This is really pretty. I don't know if it's quartz or marble, but look how much they came over here for bar stools or chairs to go underneath here. These are some cool lights. And then I love the black farm sink with the different touches here. The backsplash is awesome. I didn't flip this light on, so I know they've got some of this stuff on, some of it off, but want to be respectable of somebody's property here. Now you can tell they've got some pre-wires going on here. So I don't know if they're gonna have lights up there, photos, who knows. So back here, you've got a bedroom, and then this is the laundry. So this is a full bedroom here. Yep, this does have the ensuite. So they've got cabinets in. Again, we're almost complete, but love that cabinet color. Looks very familiar. I'll have a mirror here and then a walk-in shower. This is definitely beautiful marble. Really, really pretty. So again, this is a custom build. When you build with Hulbert Homes, you get to pick out your own colors. So we're kind of flying by the seat of our pants on this one. You guys, hope you like impromptu videos. Here's the laundry. Cabinets. More of the flooring. This is for the stairs, I think. This is for to go up the stairs. This is real stuff. Real wood. Oh, they got paper between that, probably to dry from staining it, so I'm gonna be careful with that. That's really pretty. This is probably a closet. Oh, this is a half bath, okay. Oh, check out the sink. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Pretty lighting. So this is a half bath for your guests. I'm trying to leave stuff as we found it. We do have permission to be in here, by the way. For all notices, come in here and look, they're gonna put all their closet pantry stuff, their shelving in here. I'm not sure how they're gonna do it, but that's your closet pantry. Fridge, big pavered deck, huge. They extended it way out, depending on the weather. We may go out there, but that's a beautiful big pavered deck. When this all gets wrapped up, oh, I see some speakers up there for surround sound. Let's go to the master suite. Nice double door entrance here. Heading this way, you've got a nice size master bedroom. And then there's a sitting area with a light here for, you can put, what, a desk, chair, little TV. French doors going into the patio. It's interesting, they kind of did a little privacy there, probably because it looks right back into the house, and then they see out this way. I don't know if they're gonna have blinds up, window treatments, who knows. But that's a cool fan. That'll kind of get your head spinning. Looks like it's just wrapping as it goes. Don't you just love looking at new homes? Because you never know what you're gonna say. All right, couple walk-in closets, but the shelving is not in, so nothing thrilling about that. Let's go in here. We don't have a lot of lighting, but look how beautiful this is. I just love that stain. And the mirrors will go up here. They brought that same rock wall in here. Love the colors for an accent. And then they've got all marble along the back. Really pretty. Toilet room, linen. Walk right in the shower. Same big old slats of marble that they had in the other one. Great, the Stella looks beautiful. Oh, look at that, they even did it on this wall too. And then they kind of kicked all this in here. Really pretty. I love chatting with you sometimes. Some of you in the marketplace, you're always talking about the different Hulbert homes and the different ones that we see built. It's just fun to discover them together and to see that. To kind of see what they have to offer. And this was, or is, a 3-car garage. Nice size, huge. I think there's a little bit of room around the back too. It's a garage. Most of you just want to see the house. Let's close that. Now there's where you're gonna put all the real wood going up the stairs. We are getting ready to have a nice little Central Florida rainstorm here, middle of the afternoon. Oh, there's an idea of a little bit what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be pretty. Oh, look at this light. I want to see if we can light that thing up in a minute. It's gorgeous. Careful of all our wood here. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Look at that thing. Oh, very nice. I've got another video. Look at this crown molding too. Of this home. That's a custom build. You have to find it on my channel. Here, they didn't have a door this way. They brought their ramp out here and put this right outside this way. Here they had a custom closet with purses and sweet shoes. If you've seen that video, drop a comment below. It's really cool. It is in the regular Delphi. I'm not gonna go out there too much because, well, it's locked up, but there's all your tile roof. Hello? I heard the door open. Big open loft. This is where they'll have safety railing, of course, in here. They're gonna stain those beams up there. This is great for office, I don't wanna say playroom because it's too much exposure, but sitting area. You can do a lot of different things with it. Now this is a full bedroom here. Nice size. Full bath. This is your upstairs. There's an ensuite here. So this one is a tub shower combination. Now those are some cool handles. Look at that hardware. How about that? That's really cool. They'll have, of course, a mirror up here. Mirrors are usually the last thing to go in, one of the very final pieces. Nice size bedroom here, nothing fancy to show you. I've seen this room done up in so many different ways on some of the custom builds. This has got an ensuite in it. Just to give you guys an idea. That's kind of fun right there. Maybe slightly freaky, I don't know. If you're from the Midwest, you're thinking, man, I see this stuff all the time. Well, Florida is usually like thunderstorms with freaky lightning. Lakeland gets some lightning. Just full disclosure, we get a little bit of lightning. Ensuite, this is great for a teenager. Mom and dad, guest, what have you, walk in. This will have a door here. Sorry, this will have a door here. So this will be open that and then nice open shower. And notice that Hulbert does the tile all the way to the ceiling. Really nice. All paneled doors, custom hardware. They always put a plug in along with a place to hang a TV. So, and they've got room for a nice size, what do you think? 75-inch right there, pretty good size wall. Let's see if we could see outside a little bit, give you an idea. If you've enjoyed these tours, let me know your favorite part about this home or maybe another Hulbert home that we've put on our site lately. Again, this one's already sold, but we like to show you kind of the construction phase and a little bit of what different things you can do and is involved whenever you build a home. Looks like we got some good rain coming in. I hear some lightning pumping. This patio winds all the way around. That's to the master suite. And then it looks like they're gonna have a little bit of area here for a sink. And there you go. We go in all weather to give you tours here. Brian Stevens, Realtor, eXp Realty. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. If you'd like to build one of these homes, this Rio Vista, custom build one in Delphi Hills or anywhere else in Polk County on your lot also, would love to connect with you. Have a great day. Thank you for checking out this walkthrough video of this beautiful custom Hulbert home here in Delphi Hills. I'd like to give you more information on any other homes that we have under construction or coming soon. Feel free to comment below. All my contact information is below. Please reach out to me via email, text message, cell phone, whatever it takes. Let's have a conversation about you building your next custom home with Hulbert Homes, or maybe you're looking for a resale somewhere in the Central Florida area. We can talk about either because we can help you. We have a great team that can help you with all of your real estate needs. If you're buying or if you're selling, let's talk about what your needs are. And again, thank you so much for checking it out. Subscribe to this channel and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.